Got two on the hook, and we just chillin' for the 2012, man. On that Mangere summertime thing, you know? Well, it's another day, another summer. Not a cloud in sight, just lounging, enjoying the sunny weather. Gotta love a having a family reunion. And see no one around house, the fams, oops, how you doing? Better to get the barbecue sizzling. Hungry like a mother, so everybody start digging in. And I be chilling with my usos. Feeling thirsty, any chippers, take a stroll up to the liquor store. Good times, conversating about them old days. Family reunion got me in the mood for some OJs. There ain't no other place in the world that comes close, so I be giving it up for the neighborhood that I love the most. Yeah, and that ain't nothing like the tropicals, but have you feeling like you're chilling in the islands, bro? Welcome to Mangere, make it official. Both fingers down with two twisted in the middle. Don't want another steak on the grill.
Make it summertime.
Let another cold one chill.
Make it summertime.
Enjoy the vibe, you know the deal.
Make it summertime.
Water balloon fight, yeah, it's going down. Super soakers ready to wet ya, every man for himself. It's all fun and games, we just clowning, man. Kicking it back to another one of them summer jams. Yeah, and we just soaking up the sunshine, making the most of it, 'cause summertime it don't come twice. I got myself a gosos and my lover, cause it's too hot for Chuck Taylor's my brother. Summertime, house parties and all, and I ain't looking forward for the day for winter to fall, 'cause the barbecue season's still in effect. Recline myself under the trees and watch the sunset, and then my neck of the woods, we throw our arms up. Without a doubt in my mind, I got that Mangere love. True to it everywhere I represent it. 24/7 Mangere love, staying real with it. Don't want another steak on the grill.
Make it summertime.
Let another cold one chill.
Make it summertime.
Enjoy the vibe, you know the deal.
Make it summertime.
I'm in love with Mangere Maine. She's my thing. She makes me feel alright. She makes my heart sing. And when I'm feeling low, she comes as no surprise. I got that Mangere love up in the summertime.
Hey, come on, all the time. Can't you see my kids sleeping over here? Party, I gotta go tell soon, eh?
Don't want another steak on the grill.
Make it summertime.
Let another cold one chill.
Make it summertime.
Enjoy the vibe, you know the deal.
Make it summertime.